It's a quick video to show you guys how to apply this high gloss finish sealer, because I want my recent installed tile or pebble tiles to look more wet. I'd applied one side already. You can see right here it looks wet, and this one I haven't applied it yet. You can buy the applicator at the store, but for my purpose I went to a 99-cent store and buy this disposable sponge brush kind of thing, and I pour it in here, dip it in there, and you just move it back and forth. But one important thing is you guys want to see is this right here. It's a lot of residue, so make sure you want to brush that off right away, because this might not be even. Work that around the corner and look in crannies and make sure that cover all of it. And now pretty much it. Wait it dry, wait to dry. You can do another coat after it, so make it even shinier. Again, the product is I use is high gloss finish sealer by Miracle. It does well. It works well for me. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.